I'd like to be on a city street when the rain comes driving down, trying to make things neat as it washes the houses, roof and wall, the taxis, the buses, cars, and all. That's where I'd like to be in the rain. That's where I'd like to be. It is raining. Where would you like to be in the rain? Where would you like to be? I'd like to be on a tall tree top. When the rain comes dripping drop, 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 drop around every side, where it wets the farmers, the barns, the pig, the cows, the chickens, both little and big. When it butters and beats on a field of grain, and makes the little birds hide from the rain. That's where I'd like to be, in the rain. That's where I'd like to be.
Very good, very good.